Hello, Travelweek readers. It's Dave Wright here. I'm the Director of Sales for Ontario and Atlantic Canada for Sunwing Vacations. First of all, I hope everyone's staying safe and staying home and practicing good social distancing behaviors during this unprecedented time that we're all living through. I wanted to take a few minutes of your time to go over a few important things if I could. I'm happy to let you know that we've completed our repatriation efforts by bringing home 60,000 passengers, which included 3,300 stranded Canadians that were non-Sunwing clients. We're definitely happy that we were able to help with that, and of course it was the right thing to do. Now, as many of you are aware, we have temporarily suspended our Sunwing flights through to April the 30th, 2020. All your clients that were scheduled to travel during that period will receive a future travel credit in the amount of their original package, which is valid for 24 months, so 2 full years, which is fantastic. Remember, you and your clients don't need to contact us. We're working as quickly as we can to process literally thousands of backlogged files. We'll send an email out to the email address on the file when the file has been processed. Okay, so again, no need to contact us whatsoever. We've made the travel credit process quite simple. When the customer is ready to rebook, and of course we're going to have a lot of people who are going to want to rebook their great holidays, the previous booking number is the key to their credit. Plus, any amount not used on their new booking will remain on the file as a credit to be used at a later date. And remember, as I mentioned, all future travel credits are valid for 2 full years, 24 months, again, which is awesome. Now, as you may know, recently the Government of Ontario has made an amendment to the Travel Industry Act to help reduce the burden on agents. We wanted to assure you that we will not be passing the cost of chargebacks onto travel agents or agencies. In the event that a chargeback is approved by a credit card company, Sunwing will be disputing these chargebacks on your behalf. If we require any information from you to dispute the chargeback, we'll definitely reach out to you directly at that time. Finally, many of you have asked us if you can start making bookings. And the simple answer, absolutely. Please start making some bookings. Our sales center, our website, fully operational with our schedule for the upcoming summer and winter seasons in place and up to date. Of course, that goes for our fantastic groups team, of course, led by the wonderful Lexi. They are ready and waiting and willing to help you with your destination wedding bookings, your family bookings, your friend bookings, whatever bookings that turn out to be a group, they're ready and willing to help you with those as well. A final message from us here at Sunwing: we will get through this. Please try to stay positive through these difficult times. I know it's hard sometimes, but please try to stay positive. Together, let's rebuild our Canadian travel industry better than ever. I know we can. Everyone, thanks for your support. Stay safe. And personally, I am totally looking forward to wearing my Sunwing glasses down in destination at some point in the future. I'm looking forward to it. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.